how to search for a specific file on Google Drive. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to search for a specific file on Google Drive easily. So all what you have to do, of course, is go to Google Drive. Now this is the home page, as you can see. Now all what you have to do to search for a specific file is by going here and click on this little icon. Now choose the type of the file, if it is a PDF or document or whatever here, and choose the owner and the includes words. Now the item name and the location, if it is in the bin or the started, and the date modified. Everything can choose those, fill all those informations and click search, and I'm sure you will find it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.